Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Goettl Homeowner Tips. I'm Eric Goettl, and we're talking about signs it might be time to repair or replace your furnace. Let's go. Are you experiencing uneven heating, strange noises, or increased energy bills? These could be signs that your furnace is struggling. And furnaces are like everything else. They have a lifespan. Most furnaces only last around 15 to 20 years. If your furnace is reaching or exceeding its average lifespan and experiencing issues, it might be more cost-effective to consider replacement. Now let's talk energy efficiency. Newer furnaces are significantly more energy efficient. Upgrading to a high-efficiency unit can lead to substantial savings on your energy bills over time. When you're unsure whether to repair or replace your furnace, it's time to consult experts. At Goettl, our team of skilled technicians will assess your furnace, taking into account its condition, age, and your specific needs. We'll provide you with the best solution tailored to fit your home.